Here we have a SAT math question. Let's go the information. X times x positive 1 negative 56 equals to 4x times x negative 7. What is the sum of the solutions to the given equation? Okay, the question says sum of the solutions. That means for the given equation over here, we'll have more than one solution. So that we'll be adding the solutions to answer this question, sum of the solutions. So for that, what I need to do is I have to write this equation in standard form. That is, we must get all the terms on the left side and right side has to be 0. So let me write the given equation as it is. That is x times x positive 1 negative 56 equals to 4x times x negative 7. Okay, now let me distribute this x to x positive 1. I'm getting x square positive x negative 56 equals to, when I distribute this 4x to x, I'm getting 4x square negative. When I distribute this 4x to negative 7, it will be negative. 4 times 7 is 28, and we have x over here. That x should be written as it is. Okay, to get the equation standard form, we must have 0 on the right side, but here we have 4x square negative 28x on the right side. Okay, now let's get rid of this 4x square negative 28x. For that, I subtract 4x square from both sides and also add 28x to both sides. Let me finish writing over here. So when I do so, this positive 4x square negative 4x square will cancel out, and the same thing over here. So when I combine this positive 1x square negative 4x square, it will become negative 3x square. When I combine this positive 1x positive 28x, it will become positive 29x, and negative 56 equals to 0. Okay, so when I simplify the given equation and written in standard form, so I am getting a quadratic equation standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. Okay, so for any quadratic equation, we'll have two solutions because the degree of the equation is 2. So we'll have two solutions. That means two values of x. So sum of the solutions means we have to find the sum of the two solutions of this quadratic equation. And there is a formula to find sum of the two solutions when a quadratic equation is written in standard form ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, let me write the formula over here. So sum of the solutions or sum of the two solutions equals to, the formula is negative b over a. Okay, now so let's compare the given quadratic equation we have over here and ax square positive bx positive c to get the values of a, b and c. A is a coefficient of x square. At the place of a we have negative 3, so a is equal to negative 3, and b is a coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 29, so b is equal to 29 and c is equal to negative 56. Okay, now to get the value of, to get the sum of the solutions, we have to plug in the values for b and a over here. We can take this negative sign as it is. The value of b is 29 and the value of a is negative 3. So this negative will cancel out. I'm getting 29 over 3. So in the given equation, the sum of the solutions is 29 over 3.